In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Daikin air conditioner wall split. Alright, before we get started, we've got to think about safety. So first, turn off the unit using the remote. Switch off power at the main circuit breaker to prevent electrical shock or electric shock. And we need to make sure we clean filters every 2 to 4 weeks and deep clean the coils and drain system every 3 to 6 months. Alright, so in saying that, the first step here is open the front panel of the air conditioner. So lift the panel from the bottom. Some models click into the place. This gives access to the air filters and the interior of the unit. Alright, so step 2, remove and clean the air filters. So gently slide out those mesh filters as you can see in this diagram. Rinse well under running water, and you can use mild soap if you like. Rinse really well here and allow it to air dry completely before reinstalling. You don't want these things being wet. Once you reinstall it, they need to be bone dry. And we recommend doing this every 2 to 4 weeks. Alright, step 3 is check and clean the additional filters if you got these equipped. So some models have a plasma ionizer, dust box, or a photocatalytic deodorizing filter. So from here, follow the user manual to remove, vacuum, or rinse them. Replace them if they've expired. This is usually after 1 to 2 years. Step 4 is clean the evaporator cool or cooling fins, as you can see in this diagram. So carefully vacuum or brush dust off the aluminium fins, and then use a foam coil cleaner spray. This is safe for indoor ACs. So we need to spray directly onto the coil and let it soak. The condensate will rinse it away naturally via the drain. Step 5, wipe the exterior. So using a soft cloth or a gentle cleaner, no alcohol or harsh chemicals. Clean air louvers and vents to remove mold or dust. Step 6 here is optional. We can use auto cleaning mode if available on your unit. So many Daikin models have an auto clean or mold proof mode. Activate it via the remote control. It runs the fan to dry moisture inside the unit after shutdown.